My name is Nicole and I work as a regulatory compliance expert. In my role, I am responsible for the food safety and compliance assessment for various food contact materials from our portfolio. So when a supplier sends a specification, the process of checking the material against legal requirements consists of three main pillars. First, compositional information. Second, regulatory compliance and also Tetra Pak specific requirements. And testing. So first of all, we need to understand the composition and also the structure of a material in scope to better understand the legislative requirements, but also potential food safety risks. So therefore, we collect compositional information that is our basis for the assessment. Then we have requirement lists that we share with our suppliers, listing legal but also Tetra Pak specific requirements. And finally, there is a huge testing battery that we apply for all food contact materials to make sure that we are within legal limits and to make sure that our material in the end is food safe.
My name is Bastian Knaup. I'm a professional food chemist and I work as the manager of the Advanced Analytics and Chemical Safety Group. The tests we are performing are dependent on the materials. So on the one hand, we can test food contact materials. On the other hand, we can test raw materials. We test both packaging materials and equipment parts because both of those are in food contact. The main things we are looking for are really intentionally added substances and non-intentionally added substances. Intentionally added substances are substances which are added already to the raw materials, and not intentionally added substances are substances which are generated during our manufacturing process. Testing is a crucial part of the food safety assessment. It is on the one hand supporting our food contact certificates of commercially distributed material, and on the other hand it supports the projects which try to develop new packaging material structures.
For us, the first hurdle is always to get the right documentation in place. Then all the documentation need to be reviewed in detail and compared to the formulation. You could say it's like detective work to investigate whether all the different puzzle pieces fit together. So the process to certify is very crucial, and the overall goal that we have is to create a declaration of compliance for our customer.
As the regulation change, our laboratory has to stay dynamic because the requirements change in nearly every new regulation.
And we need to make sure that we are always compliant. Potential reformulations that may be accompanied by legislative changes take time, and time is crucial for our development projects, but also for our customers. So basically, by staying on top of what's happening today, we can help our customers meet the demands of tomorrow. We do all of this to protect what's good, to make sure that our materials are compliant and food safe, and it's also important to be a trusted speaking partner for our customers.
We are a group of scientists and regulatory experts with a big heart and with a high impact on food safety, not only within Tetra Pak, but also together with our customers.